children, welcome to our class Nana. How are you all? Yeah, are you all listening to our classes? Today, in our previous class, we have learned about digits, smallest digit and largest digit. Up to 6 digits we have learned. What is the 5 digit smallest number, 5 digit largest number, 6 digit smallest number and 6 digit largest number. Up to 6 digit we have learned. Today we will go for exercise. Then take out your textbooks, page number 7. See here page number 7 Nana. Exercise 1.1. Today we will complete 2 bits. A, B, C. We will complete 3 bits, and we will write. Today we will learn how to write numbers. How to write numbers. Okay. Then open your textbooks, everyone. Now first chapter. Now what is the first chapter, Nana? Chapter 1. Numbers. In numbers. Exercise 1.1. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1.1. Now those who have textbooks, take out your textbooks and see in your textbooks. Here, see in your textbooks, Nana. Exercise 1.1. Now page number 7. Now exercise 1.1. A bit. Write the number for each abacus. A bit. Write the number for each abacus. Abacus. Now they have given abacus strings. These are abacus strings, Nana. Here we have 1. How many parts are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next here we have 3. 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 2 are there. How many are there? 2. 1, 2. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. They have given ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Now it is abacus string. In this abacus string we have some beads. That means these are called beads. We have these beads. We have to count these beads and we have to write here. Now first we have to count from, always you have to count from right side to left side. It is your right side, so right side to left side. That means from ones place to 10,000s place you have to count. Now check for O means ones place, Nana. How many beads are there in ones place? 1. So you have to write here 1. Okay. Now ones place has completed. Now come to the tens place. Now count how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to write here 6. Once tens place completed, now come to the hundreds place. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3. Now thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 10,000s place. We have 2 beads. Like this, you have to count these beads and you have to write in this box. How to read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. We have the place value up to 10,000. Then how to read this number? 25,361. How to read this number, Nana? 25,361. So, in your first bit, write the number for each abacus. In your first bit, here 2 more problems are there. That is your homework. You have to complete that. Just simply count the beats and write here. If there is no beat, then you have to write 0. Now see second one, I will say second one, then remaining will be your homework. again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Thousands place, 10,000s place. Now, how many bits are here? We have only one. Next, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, in third bit we don't have any bits, so don't draw anything. Next, here we have 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how many bits are there? 1. In ones place, 1. Come to the tens place. How many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bits are there, so write here 5. Next, in hundreds place, how many bits are there? There is no bits, so don't count anything. If you don't have anything, then simply have to write 0. Then thousands place, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 are there. Next, 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, now count the place values once again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Here the place values are up to 10,000 only. Then how to read this number? 63,000. Here there is no number to read anything. We cannot read 0. 0 is chadalim. So 63,051. How to read? 63,051. In hundreds place we don't have any number. Here we have 0. We cannot read as 0. So that's why you have to leave the hundreds place and you have to say 63,051. Like this, in your textbooks in exercise 1.1, first problem and second problem both are completed. Now third one is there. That is your homework. You have to complete it. Now come to the next bit. Show the number on the abacus. 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 Now first one repeat. First one place values. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Same like first one you have to draw. And what they have given? Here they have given 2. They have given 9, 1, 0, 2. Then it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Now they are asking show the number on the abacus. Now they have given the number. Now what is the number here 2? That means on this abacus you have to draw 2 beats. 1, 2. Always you have to go from right side. Right side means always you have to go from ones place onwards. You have to count always from ones place onwards. It is the ones place. In ones place we have here 2. So you have to draw 2 beats here. After ones place, what is the place value? Tens. What is the number here? 9. So we have to draw 9 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beats. Next, what is the number here in hundreds place? We have only one number, so we have to draw only one beat. Next, hundreds place has completed. Now come to the thousands place. What is the number here? 0. can you draw 0 bits? 0 means 0 nana. There is number is nothing. There is no number. 0 means 0 only. So no need to draw any bits. Now 10,000 place has completed. Now come to the 10,000 place. Here 2. You have to draw 2 bits. 1, 2. Like this you have to complete second bit. So based on the number you have to draw that. Always you have to go from ones place onwards. That means right side to left side. Place values you have to count from right side to left side. Bits also you have to draw from right side to left side. So see in your textbooks, page number 7. Show the number on the abacus. It is second bit. In second bit 2 more problems are there. That is your homework. Okay. That is your homework. Now 2 bits has completed enough. Today I will say how to write the numbers. How to write the numbers. How to write the numbers means you know how to write the numbers from 10,000 to 10,000 you know. Then in class 3 we have learnt about 1000. 1000 can be written as 100. 1000 1000. It is called 1000. How to write 1001? 1001. Now how to write 1002? 1002. 1003. 1004. 1005. 1006. 1007. 1008. 1009. 1010. Like this we have learned how to write the numbers from 1000 to 10,000. From 1000 to 10,000 we have learned. 1000 to 10,000. We have learned in class 3. Then in class 4 we will learn how to write the numbers from 10,000 to 1 lakh. 10,000 to 1 lakh. So today we will learn the numbers from 10,000 onwards. It is your homework, Nana. Tomorrow you have to show this homework to me from 10,000 onwards. 10,000 can be written as 10,000. For 1,000 we have 3 zeros. So after 10 we have to write 3 zeros. It is 10,000. 10,000 is the 5-digit smallest number. What is that? 10,000 is the 5-digit smallest number. Now 10,000. 10,001. Only one's place is changed. 10,002. 10,003. 10,004. So up to we have to write up to next 10,005. Next 10,006. 10,007. 10,008. 10,009. 10,010. 1010. 10,010. That means now, did you observe anything here? These are 1-digit numbers. From 1 to 9, 1-digit numbers. While we are writing 1-digit numbers, only one's place is changing. Here one's place 0, one's place 2, one's place, one's place, one's place. Only one's place is changing. Then after 9, we have 2-digit numbers. While we are writing 2-digit numbers, then the number will goes to tens place also. Tens, like this. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in this 10,000 we have 5 digits. That means we are learning about 5-digit numbers. We are learning about 5-digit numbers. So now 10,010 has completed. So you have to write from 10,010. Like this you have to write up to 10,020 you have to write. 10,020. 10,020 after again 10,020 here completed. Then 10,021 to 10,030. Each and every time while you are writing, you are getting 5 digits because we are learning about 5-digit numbers. How to write 5-digit numbers? 5 digits. We are learning about 5-digit numbers. So each and every time we get 5 digits only. Each and every time we get 5 digits only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 10,030 has completed. Now 10,031 to 10,040. 4040. 10,041 to 10,050. 10,051 to 10,060. Next, 10,061 to 10,070. 10,071 to 10,080. In middle you have to write like this: 10,071, 10,072, 10,073, 10,074, 10,075. Like this you have to write 10,080. Today your homework is from 10,000 to 10,100. You have to write those numbers and you have to show. 10,080 has completed. Then 10,081 to 10,090. 10,091 to 10,100. So up to here your homework you have to complete up to here. Tomorrow I will check this homework. I have written 10,001 to 10,000 to 10,100 not. I will check. Then if you know how to write 10,000, then 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 you can write by your own way. So you have to learn first of all how to write 10,000. Then afterwards 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000. Then we will learn about 1 lakh. So here only 10,100 to your homework. Daily we will learn 100 numbers. So up to 10,100 is your homework. Today's your homeworks are in exercise 1.1 first to be A bit and in A bit we have completed 2. Only one problem is your homework. In exercise 1.1 B bit is there. In B bit I have completed 1. Remaining to your homework and the numbers from 10,000 to 10,100. Okay, you have to complete this homework. You have to show. Okay, children, very good.